Welcome to Goldmine Meditation. I'm Vanessa. Today we will embark on a journey of self-love through a powerful mantra meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes gently, and take a deep breath in and out. Begin by setting an intention for this meditation. You are here to nurture and embrace self-love. As you inhale, imagine drawing in warmth and light. As you exhale, let go of any resistance. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, holding for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more centered. Allow each inhale to bring in peace, and each exhale to release tension. We will now introduce our mantra. Quietly in your mind, repeat, I am worthy. I am enough. I am love. As you breathe in, silently say, I am worthy. As you breathe out, say, I am enough. With your next breath, repeat, I am love. Allow the words of this mantra to wash over you. Each repetition strengthens this affirmation. I am worthy. I am enough. I am love. Feel these truths enveloping you like a warm, comforting hug. Let them sink deeper and deeper with every breath. As you inhale, visualize white light entering your heart, filling you with warmth. As you exhale, imagine that light expanding, surrounding you in a bubble of self-love. Stay with the feelings that arise. Feel your heart's gentle rhythm, a testament to your existence. Allow any emotions to surface. It's okay to feel vulnerable. Each feeling is an opportunity for growth and understanding. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for making time for self-love. Inhale the feeling of gratitude deep into your being, and exhale any residue of doubt or negativity. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes to the world around you. Feel refreshed, loved, and complete. Thank you for joining me today at Gold Mind Meditation. Remember, you are worthy, you are enough, and you are loved. Until next time, take care of your precious self.